good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1753rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and of course, that would be me. Okay, traders, good evening. This video, the 1753rd installment of these almost nightly educational videos, coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday, March 28th, 2018. Traders, you've seen the volatility. You must recognize it's risky. If you don't, risky. This business is very risky. Trading anything is risky. Probably trading apples and oranges right now is risky with all this volatility. Know that this is not for everybody. This is not for every account. You cannot just trade these markets the way they're whipping around unless you know about stops. You put them in first. You know about risk capital. You need to know you can lose all your money plus more playing this game. However, there are ways to play this where that doesn't happen, but always putting your stops in and putting them in first will help assure that you'll be here to live to fight another day. Let's move forward. What's going on for trading on the 28th? Well, I will say this once again loud and clearly to you folks who are watching. You pros out there will get this completely. You novices will write stupid things, but this is about the people who care, not the people with internet muscles. Traders, making money is way more important than looking, or even worse, being right. Let me tell you what that means. If you are doing this to be right, to tell your friends that, oh, today I'm going to make money and I'm right and I know the markets are going to do this, and your purpose isn't to get in those markets, make some money and get the hell out, then you're doing this for all the wrong reasons. And I'm here to say, once again, just like the video before this one, we did exactly what we were supposed to do. I told you in last night's video for trading on Tuesday, we were expecting to start off on the long side. We'd get long. If it rallied up, we'd get out. We would sidestep it, and whatever happened next would happen. Why? Because it's a holiday week, Easter, Passover, right now at the end of the week, and you've got to be very nimble. Those were my words. Well, once again, OMNI, how'd we do, baby? So I come out with a video to tell you about the upside. The market closes lower. I look stupid, but us OMNIacs kicked ass and made money again. I don't care how stupid this makes me look. If you don't understand that getting in a market, getting your profit objective, getting out, and having the professionalism to know better than to do anything else and have made money for the day, I don't care where it ends up at the end of the day and how it makes us look. Now, you need to do the same thing. If you can get in and get out, and it doesn't matter if you told your friends it was going up and it ends up down at the end of the day, as long as you made money doing this, that's what's important. Not your ego, not whether or not you called it right. Whether your account goes up is all that matters in the end. It's all about money in the end, right? So we trade this game, and during the day we say it's all about points and don't count your money. But in the end, of course, how are you paying your mortgage if you're doing this to pay mortgages? By the price of your account going up, by the balance going up. That comes from absolutely doing your analysis and making money, not what you look like. So I am here to say all the OMNIacs who were with me in my trading room Tuesday, we all made money on these markets, and then it finally broke down after we hit our profit objectives. Again, I will repeat, if you've got an ego about this, get rid of it. I don't care if you guys laughed at me every single day while I go with 2 loaves of bread under my arms to the bank. You know what I'm saying? You keep laughing at these videos if that's, in the end of the day, the market turns and they look bad. I don't care as long as somehow we can turn this into coin. Do the same. How could you do that? You want to see exactly when we traded, when we buy and sell, when we're going to, as we're getting in, as we're getting out, the second we're going to do it. Join the Platinum membership at livewithoscar.com. They are real-time recommendations. My personal recommendations go out to you. When we're trading, you're part of it just like that. Join the membership at livewithoscar.com. Now, traders, what is on this board? Making money, absolutely more important than looking right. Who cares what you look like? If you can turn a coin, you've done a good job. Short-term, time frame, bearish signals. Omni was green. We made money on it green yesterday. Market drop. For Wednesday, Tuesday night now, for Wednesday, market is red, Omni is red. We will sell a rally and look for a drop to get out on. The moment we get out at a profit objective, we will stop. It's a holiday week and do nothing. So, short-term time frame bearish signals with possible bear flags forming. I'll show those to you. And then nimble is the word of the day. It worked for us Monday. It worked for us Tuesday. I hope it works for us on Wednesday. Traders, with no further ado, let me show you why we've got a red Omni. Traders, something I dislike very much about the developments after today, Tuesday's bar was set in the Dow Jones Transportation Average. It's way below the OCAPMO or the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary. Way below Omni, right? That's one thing. See this orange one? It's almost never below that. Almost never. If so, it's a very quick excursion. Look here. Down another day, down another day, a third day down. Below the average, longer than usual, is disturbing on the Transportation Average Daily Bar. Now there's more. Look at this. It's not just below the Omni and below that orange average. You're building a very possible bear flag below that average. That is disturbing. That, combined with that, is disturbing. That, combined with being below that, and that is extremely disturbing. Just wanted to show you some of the bearishness that we're seeing for short-term trading. And, of course, we have a red Omni for many other reasons. But there is a nice technical picture to show you why we will likely end up on the downside again for trading on Wednesday. Then there's the S&P. Now, the S&P is starting to build a bear flag above the 200 bar for now. Last time it held, but it went away very quickly. This time comes down and starts to build a flag here instead of retreating back up. However, things get worse. Even more disturbing is you're building that bear flag, yes, above the 200, but look, way below the Omni. Once again, you don't usually build a formation when you get below the Omni. You hightail it back up. Now you're building a formation way below the Omni. Right now you're balancing on the 200, but the other market I showed you did not. So let's see what happens. Short-term trading Wednesday, we will be selling the rallies. Come to livewithoscar.com. Remember, we've got new mobile chat access now to the chat room. So come on down, use your phones or your computers, and I will see you there. So, traders, you've seen the charts. You've got my technical reasoning why we've got the red arrow up for emini, S&P, NASDAQ. Remember, who cares what you look like if you can bring home the bacon, right? You're making the bread. That's what this is about. Not the ego of, ooh, look what I did. Make sure you can prove it in your account, not show it in your artwork. Short-term time frame, I showed you that, right? See these bear flags forming? Maybe they are. You can't really give them a name until they start to break, but I think that's what they are. And nimble, nimble, nimble is the word of the day. Again, we were blessed on Monday. We got in, somehow made money short on a 700-point rally. We were able to get a short trade out, a decent amount of money too. Tuesday, we got in the markets, right? We got long, it rallied up, we got out, the markets broke at the end of the day. My goodness, nimble, worked. We were also supposed to buy Apple on Tuesday, but by 11:30 in the morning, it was getting a little late to be filled on an Apple trade, so we canceled all our orders, no fill in Apple. Apple ended up coming down. Once again, what worked? Nimble. Nimble is the name of the game this week. What will we do Wednesday? I pray we get filled, we get short, it drops, we get out, we're nimble, and we're done for the day, just like we did Monday and Tuesday. Traders, livewithoscar.com. I will see you there. If you are interested in OmniCamp is a 4-day, really 5-day session held live here in Las Vegas where I will teach you the art of Oscar's market navigational indicator, the Omni. If you're interested, OmniCamp is sold out for June. OmniCampers, can't wait to see you cats in June. There is one more camp scheduled for 2018, and that will come in the fall. We are now accepting applications for the fall OmniCamp, last one of the year. Sold out for now, one left. Only 5 of you will be invited in the end, so make sure you fill out your applications, and I'll give you a date on that fall class when I speak with you. Traders, Remember, this game is very emotional, but you're not allowed to use those emotions. It's okay. Place your orders. It's okay to have emotions. Don't let those emotions turn into fingertips on keyboards, right? That's a problem. Want to get emotional? Run outside, do some belly whoppers on the cement, get some cuts on your chest and your knees. It'll keep your fingers off the damn keyboard. I'd rather pay for bandages than lose money in the markets. How about you? Do whatever you have to do to not change your orders. Place your orders, follow your plan. LiveWithOscar.com. I'll see you there. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are emotions are out. Rock and roll. LiveWithOscar.com. I'll see you in my trading room. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.